Time to do a little trail riding. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm at Rum Village Mountain Bike Trails, and it's just outside of South Bend, Indiana. All right, there's where I parked. So you want to come to the Welcome to the Edge Adventure Park, and just off to the left, between all the swings and under the zip line and everything, is where the trailhead starts. It's a big zip line park over here. There's 5 courses. Well, just after you come into the woods here, there's your first marker. 10 different trails. I'll kind of let you guys read all those. Looks like the longest trail might be 0.94 and the shortest 0.06. And then there's where we are at. And I'm not sure which is the beginner, intermediate, expert. It's just all one color, and they're just numbered. So I guess we'll stay on the outside, which is about the mile trail, and just cut our way around. They've got like little stairs here. We got a fork in the road. Let's go this way. Ooh. Watch your bridge there. And my tires are almost as wide as the cracks. All right, come to the road here. I'm not sure where we go from here. Probably say stay to the right. Looks like somebody there was building a teepee. Uh-oh. This might be a little difficult to get through. And I'm not good enough for this. And back out at the trailhead. Well, that was a good little ride. I would probably call that course easy to beginner, maybe with a really small section of maybe intermediate. But other than that, basically beginner's trail, of course, which you know by now, I like looking for those. And guess what? I didn't fall this time. So I would probably say out of the 20 trails I've done, I didn't fall this time. So that was really good. All right, and on that note, Traveler out.